Richie, what in the world are you doing? Oh, hey, Rich. Hey, I borrowed your hammer, and guess what, man? I've been watching them YouTube videos, those people that do the extreme frugality on how to save money. Well, they taught me that I need to get the most out of every single product. Get everything you can out of it, and you'll save lots of money. So, man, I'm going to get everything of this toothpaste. Better ways to do this. I'll tell you about them later. Now, go put my hammer back and get this stuff cleaned up before Jen gets home. Oh. What was fun? Why you try to rain on my parade? It's because it wasn't your idea. Hey there, guys. Welcome back to Protection USA. Today, we're diving into the world of frugality, a key component to your personal finance and retirement planning. Oh, and I want to apologize for Richie. He's my twin brother that's going to be staying with us for the foreseeable future. And if you think what he was trying to do with the toothpaste is bad, wait until the end of this video and see what he did with our ketchup. You do not have to resort to such measures to be frugal. Let's explore some practical tips about being frugal without going overboard. Meal planning. Plan your meals ahead of time and make a grocery list. This helps with impulse buying and it reduces food waste. The next one is quality over quantity. This is where we're going to buy something even if it costs a little bit extra, so that it'll last longer. This can save you money in the long run. A lot of people think frugality is just being Mr. or Mrs. Cheapo, but that's not necessarily the case. The next one is comparison shopping. Before my wife will buy anything, she'll look on 10 websites to see if she can get it cheaper. Keep an eye out for those discounts and coupons. There's a lot of online tools that helps make this process easier. Conserve energy and lower your utility bill. It's simple. Turn your lights off and your appliances when they're not in use. Well, I'm guilty of this next one. Cut your unnecessary subscriptions. It's important to review these on a regular basis, and if you're not using them a lot, consider downsizing them or cutting them out altogether. Do it yourself, known as DIY, and repairs around your house. Learn some DIY skills that's going to make it easier for you to make some repairs around your home. What's Home Depot say? You can do it, we can help. Fixing things on your own really can save you a lot of money. I've got one more tip I want to show you, and then I'm going to share what Richie did with our ketchup. But first, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. And by the way, let me know in the comments if we should let Richie in on any more of our future videos. So the last tip is to automate your savings. Decide in advance how much you want to save on an annual basis. Break this down to a monthly or weekly amount, and then have your bank automatically make that transfer every time you get paid. So there you have it. Frugality doesn't have to mean taking a rubber hammer to your toothpaste or what you're about to see next. By incorporating these tips into your life, you can make wise financial decisions. And you can do it without going into extremes. Remember, it's all about balance. Thank you for watching, and until next time, may God bless you. Hey, Rich, I found another extreme money-saving, what's that word, frugality tip. I heard on one of them YouTube shows. You should do this on Protection USA on one of your videos. You water down the ketchup so that makes sure when it gets down to the end, you get it all out of it doesn't get stuck in the bottom. This is a good one right here. Never mind. What time's Jen getting home?